Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add nearby friends on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, let's start by navigating to the Snapchat app on your phone and tap on the icon to launch it. Once the app opens up on the screen, locate the search icon at the very top and tap on it. In the search bar, enter your friend's nearest location and hit enter. You will see all the snaps that have been created in that location. To add a specific friend, find their video. Once you find the video, tap to open it. Then open their Snapchat account. Tap on add to add them as a friend. And that's it. This is how simple it is to add nearby friends on Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.